Do you want to change your Facebook business page profile picture? I will show you just in a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you how to upload and change your Facebook page profile picture. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. The Facebook page profile picture is the primary image that represents your business page on Facebook. It appears next to your page's name and search results, comments, and posts, and serves as a visual identifier for your page. Before starting, make sure your chosen picture meets Facebook's profile picture dimensions and size requirements. Currently, the recommended size is any square size. And 180 by 180 pixels is a minimum requirement for both computers and mobile devices. I recommend you use a high-quality image that clearly represents your page. You can change the Facebook business page profile image either using your computer or using the Facebook mobile app. To change the profile picture of your Facebook page, first, log into your Facebook account and go to your business page. For that, click on your from the top right corner of the screen. From here, select your page. If you have not seen your business profile, click on the See All Profiles button to view all of your pages. Now, from the top left of the screen, click on your name to open the business page profile. Hover over your current profile picture and click on the camera button that appears in the bottom right corner of the picture. If you are going to change profile image using mobile app, select Choose Profile Picture. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. You can either upload a new image from your computer by clicking Upload Photo or choose one from your existing Facebook photos. Click Upload Photo to upload a new picture from your device. Just select a photo or logo for your business account. Once you've selected your picture, you can use the cropping tool to adjust the size and position. Use the zoom slider to zoom in or out, and drag the image within the cropping area to reposition it. After making any desired adjustments, click on the Save button to set the new profile picture. That's it. Your Facebook page's profile picture now be updated to the new image you selected. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. And leave a comment in the comments section below.